here I have the topping. I have diced one onion over here, green chili. I was not having jalapeno. If you have jalapeno, you can chop it, and some bell peppers, and a pizza base. Ready-made is recommended to prepare in kadhai. This is a 6-inch. So let's start making it. So before 2 minutes, I kept this kadhai on high flame so that it traps little bit heat inside it. So now we are going to open it and keep this pizza base the upper side. Now in low flame, I am going to cook it until it gets brown in low flame. So now we are going to prepare the pizza sauce. We will see the ingredients for the pizza sauce now. Let's start by the making it itself. I'll tell the ingredients when I am going to add it. I am going to take about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now, if you have this ready-made pizza sauce, you may use that only. So I made last time pizza sauce and I added little bit extra garlic to it by mistake. So now I am going to replace this garlic with some pizza sauce. About half teaspoon of pizza sauce I am going to add to it. This has lots of garlic, so instead of this, add about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic to it, crushed or paste. Some sugar, about a pinch. Some salt according to your taste, and for the Indian touch, some fennel. You may also add crushed one. I like kasuri methi in this, so I am going to crush this with my hands and add to it. And pepper, black pepper. The more you add, the better the will come out. At the last time, I am going to add pinch of garam masala and mix well. And we are going to apply to the pizza. We have to be little fast on it. Turn the pizza base. See, brown. It has been excellent. Apply the pizza sauce. Be careful because of burning of your hands. If you like cheese, you may add cheese now itself. So this much will be fine, but little bit more I'll add. I'll add some cheese over it. You can do one thing, you can add cheese to pizza sauce itself. Now I'm going to add some onions to it. Some bell peppers. You may add your favorite toppings to it. Peppers. It may look ugly now. I have chopped them roughly. You may chop fine or chop even big, in big pieces. Now if you have cheese slices, you may add chopped cheese slices, or even grated cheese works well. Use cheese that is in medium temperature, not in freeze temperature. I recommend to use cheese that is in room temperature. I don't like too much cheese, but nothing happens over the spillovers. They can get easily cleaned. Now we are going to cook it until the cheese melts, or approximately around 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to cover it and check it after every 2 minutes, and in very low flame minutes it will get cooked. The pizza is done. It totally depends on the flame of your gas. So I cooked it in low flame. It took me around 4 minutes. So now crust is very crispy now and it's very hot now. So we are going to leave it over like this only in the counter for about 3 to 4 minutes. Has now come to room temperature, little bit, not room, it's little bit warm. You may sprinkle some salt over it. You may also sprinkle some oregano. I'm going to sprinkle some pepper and salt only. Looks delicious. Now we are going to cut it. You may use a pizza cutter or simple some sharp shaped. So you may hear the sound of the crust. The crust is really crispy. I'm going to make only 4 pieces out of it. To try this recipe, even if you have oven, try this recipe. This even tastes better than oven one. This brown. I cooked it little more, so some black spots. That's totally not burnt. It's a little crispy only. The cheese is melted. You may also use the sliced or cheese slices. Check this out to try this recipe. Check out my blog.